In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your first automation using either Make or Zapier. Rather than jumping straight into the tool, the best thing you can do is use pen and paper or a diagramming tool. This could be Figma, this could be Miro. There's loads of these. Draw it out. Where does it start? Where does it go? What actions do you need to take? This looks a little bit more complex, but in essence, you're drawing boxes and arrows to get the desired outcome. Then I would jump into something like Make or Zapier, and I would have a look at their template library. In this case, I'm looking for a Google Sheets automations, and you can see here, you've got anything from integrating Google Sheets to Notion, to Shopify, and you can just go ahead and click on that, either do the start the guided setup or creating a new scenario from this template. And then it's just a question of configuring that yourself. Very simple automation, but it will really help you to understand how these things work. Zapier also has a very rich template library. And if you do get stuck, I would go straight into YouTube. There are literally thousands and thousands of videos and great creators doing the automation that you might be thinking of and have great insight into kind of solving particular problems. But yeah, very underrated tool. There's a lot of stuff on there that will help you to understand how to build these out in more efficient ways. Get started today. Start playing around with these. You should be able to have your first automation done in no time. If you get stuck or need any help, do reach out, leave a comment. We're here for you. Happy to help you automate your business.